So it's pretty crazy. What's happening right now is I'm a Type 1 and they're basically gutting the S2000 race car, Super Type U car, to fix my S2000.
Hey, I'm ALBO. I came to Japan as an English teacher, then moved near Tokyo to pursue my passions. I became a filmmaker because I love cars, Japanese culture, and a good story. I'm lucky enough to live the JDM dream, and so my videos are about my car life in Japan, where I go to car meets and visit shops, do track days and toge runs, build and review cars, and shoot vlogs, short films, and documentaries about Japan's car culture and history. Join me and my friends on our adventures and find out what it's really like in the land of the rising sun. So hop in, fasten your seatbelts, and enjoy the ride.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Alright, so the S2000 obviously has some problem right now. There's some issue with the engine. I was asking some people on forums and on the Facebook groups, and it seems like it might be the pulley bearings. I'm not really sure how to solve it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to Type 1 and they're going to get it checked out. So let's head over there and hopefully it's not too bad. Alright, we're almost there at Type 1, only about another 5 minutes or so. And these sounds still kind of weird. It's like a weird whining noise. It's like a whirring. So after doing some research on S2KI and also, you know, asking questions on the Facebook group, it seems like possibly it's the pulley bearings. So hopefully it wasn't, you know, it didn't damage the car to drive to Type 1. It wasn't that far. It's only 20 kilometers and about half an hour or 45 minutes or so to drive there through stop and go traffic. So yeah, really hoping it'll be you can hear that, right? It sounds so weird, but yeah, hoping the fix won't be too expensive and hopefully we can just replace those pulley bearings and that'll be it. When I drop the car off at Type 1, I'm also going to get 2 diff mounts installed, and also probably at the same time we can also do the rigid collars. I've been wanting to do that for a long time, and yeah, and then also, you know, the car has just passed 100,000 kilometers, so it's the perfect time to also take it in for a 100k service and just do some basic maintenance. Hopefully nothing's wrong, nothing's too bad, and hopefully these are just old parts that need to be replaced. Hear that sound? It's so weird. I wonder if you guys can hear that whirring sound. It's happening even on idle, so it's a bit concerning. All right, it's like a whistle. It's such a weird whistle. All right, here we are at Type 1. Just barely made it, I feel like. Sounds really sketchy. Okay. That sounds really bad. Okay. Idler pulley. うるさい Oh,
maybe
idler pulley.
Yeah.
Oh. Hopefully.
So we will try to take off the ACD belt, running the engine.
Yep. Then maybe it's the idler pulley. Okay. Yeah. Some people in America, some of my friends said maybe the pulley bearing. Once the belt is off, maybe you can isolate the sound from the pulleys. So, yep, hopefully it's not too bad. It's a bit concerning. Fortunately, Type 1 is like really close to me because I'm really lucky. It was only 20 kilometers away. Okay, yeah, with the belt off, and you can see, the pulleys are not spinning. Yeah, the sound is coming from the pulleys. Pulleys.
Yeah. But we don't know which one is.
Yeah.
So we should change this tensioner.
Yep.
And bottom side pulley.
Okay.
Our racing car has a
Yep.
new one.
Okay.
So, if you are okay, we use from the racing car.
Ooh, okay. Okay. We're gonna grab the pulleys from the race car upstairs. All right. Oh wow. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Check this out. S-type bumper. Still have this on order. Let's see how that goes. Is this in the warehouse before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But these are almost new.
Is it like OEM?
Yes.
Honda one? When was the last time this was raced?
This is almost a new car.
Oh wow. Okay.
Our project car.
I see. Current project car.
Final project of our Civic Type S2000.
Oh.
But we didn't
Race it. I
race
see.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
Just building and then
Just keep.
stop.
I see. Wow. This is so cool. Oh yeah, it's a full spoon kit with the. This might actually be my first time seeing the spoon, like S2000 demo car in person. Come to think of it. Look at that. Let's take a look inside. Okay, it is an AP2. This one. And well, what a story! They're actually giving me the pulley and the belt from this demo car. That's crazy. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, this thing is such a cool shape to actually see it in person. It's very rare to actually see a full spoon hardtop, much less the actual spoon race car. Not even a demo car, this is the race car. So it's pretty crazy. What's happening right now is I'm a Type 1 and they're basically gutting the S2000 race car, Super Type 2 car, to fix my S2000. Since last time you saw it, changed a little bit.
This is broken.
Oh, this is the old one.
You can hear the sound.
Yeah.
And here it's very tight.
Yeah, so this was the problem.
Yeah.
I see.
So we change the assembly.
Yep.
And just in case we change tensioner.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Maybe just old because it's old.
Yeah.
Like 20 years in Juman kyo.
Yeah.
You can hear the sound really clearly. Yeah. It should just be like smooth, no sound,
Yeah.
right? Yep. Is it I thought there's like two different sounds, like and the
Maybe this from here.
oh, okay.
So sometimes stick, sometimes moving.
Yep. I see.
The sound smooth.
Right now, is it just like it would just make a bad sound, or would it like damage the engine?
This problem, we are a little bit slip the
The belt. I see.
So this is very heavy.
Yeah.
And so
So it's not smooth.
Yeah.
And the belt might jump.
Maybe. That's fine. Yeah, revolution.
Oh, it has a limit.
Yeah.
I see. I always use VTEC. It's kind of my fault. So this is the new one. This is the old one. It's kind of some of this.
Yeah.
So I think it's pretty much fixed. Like Jomoto-san said, just change the parts. No need for a big operation. So got lucky this time, but it is an old car. Like as much as we love these S2000s and as reliable as they are, the fact of the matter is they are still 20-year-old cars. Mine is from the year 2000, so it's actually a 22-year-old car. And just looking at it, you wouldn't think that because cleans are pretty good. I try to do what I can to make sure it's as clean and nice as possible. But the fact of the matter remains, it is an old car, and so you are gonna have old parts that simply just fail from wear. The car has been run just over 100,000 kilometers, so it is really due for like a refreshment. And there are other things that are gonna fail in the future, such as the AC compressor and the water pump. So that's the thing you got to be prepared for with these old cars. It's not just about enjoying driving them and that feeling, that awesome feeling. It's also stuff's gonna break. Jomoto-san's recommended small little improvements, which sometimes the littlest things that make the biggest differences. 80-20 rule.
Come here.
Yep.
And slow the.
I see.
This one is down.
I see. It's a very small, simple thing.
Very big function.
I see. So I'm gonna take the car to Fuji, the Gymkhana course on March 2. Can you give me advice for that day and what I should think about for like car maintenance and what I should check?
So you should check the water temperature. Water temperature and you have
Oil temperature and
oil pressure.
Yep, oil pressure. Actually, out of the different meters, oil pressure, I didn't really understand how to read it. So let's see.
Well, when engine is cold, very high, the oil pressure.
Yep.
I think a 6 or 6.5.
Yep.
And then heat the oil.
Yep.
Is very soft.
Yeah, it
And
gets thin, right?
Pressure is low. But axle on and
Yep.
also engine revolution is high. It should be 5 kilo.
Okay.
5 kilo.
Okay.
5 kilo relief the oil.
Okay.
So this meter is stopped.
Yep. Okay.
And but so heat is oil is more soft and pressure is a little bit low. And if you land in the corner and aeration in the engine oil,
Yep.
One time drop the oil pressure.
Yep.
Drop the oil pressure is sometimes cause a problem.
Okay.
So keep the high oil pressure, and then if you can see the drop the this meter,
Yep.
You should use a buffer oil pipe.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Okay.
And then water temperature need keep the 100.
And if it goes above 100, like
more under is better.
okay.
Racing always use 80 degrees.
80.
Yeah.
80. Wow. Okay.
Very big radiator and no air conditioner.
Yep.
And make a shroud.
Yep.
But this car is a street car.
Yep.
So maybe 100 is okay.
Okay.
And the oil temp is more high. But the current engine oil is very good. Using the very good material.
Yep.
So no problem for the 120, 130, 135 is okay.
Wow. Okay. So if it gets too hot, then like take it easy and just do cool down laps.
Yeah, cool down lap. Yes. But the cool down lap car velocity is low.
Yep.
And the window is low, so sometimes more heat.
Yeah.
But engine revolution is low.
Yep.
It's okay.
Okay.
1 and 2 laps and down the temperature is no problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I like let's say I do like a few laps
Yeah.
and then come back?
Yeah.
Should I like come back to the pit?
Yeah.
Should I just leave the car running for some time?
Yeah. And you can see the engine fan.
Yep.
And working.
Yep.
Maybe lower the temperature. Stop the fan. It's okay. Finish the cooling. Cool down and finish this. Okay.
I see. Okay. All right. I think all done. Thank you for the quick operation today. Thank you.
Easy.
Thank you so much. Oh wow. So today I was really nervous and like right away I messaged you.
Yeah.
I said, "Oh my gosh, there's a weird sound."
Yeah, but it's very good thinking. So always checking the sound is very good. Some people come to the here and doing the car have a problem.
Yep.
They told me from before 2 months or 3 months. It's very big damage.
Yeah.
Small difference. You can see the small difference. When you know, it's easy to repair.
Yep.
And small damage. Same as human health.
That's true. Before we leave, I totally blanked, but I didn't realize until Jomoto-san pointed out, but this is actually the new FL series, and this is basically what the new Civic Type R is really going to look like.
Oh, this is not Type R.
Yeah, not Type R. Yep. But kind of same shape, right? Maybe same shape. Wow. Look at that. How is new platform?
It's very good. Body is very good. More stiff.
Yes.
And easy to move the suspension arm.
More than FK?
Yes. I think this car can increase the spring rate. So same feeling. So comfortable, but the high spring rate can take this car
To the track.
Yeah, because this car's body is very stiff.
What is the spring rate?
Right now is 10% increase on the stock line.
Nice. Okay.
This is a prototype down suspension.
It looks so cool with the spoon calipers.
Here is the same as FK7, so easy to install the brake caliper.
Okay. And engine tuning is nothing yet?
Honda.
Oh, Honda. Okay.
Yeah.
The interior is so nice now.
It's simple.
And so this one also has spoon exhaust, SW388 wheels, and spoon bucket, and steering wheel and shift knob. It's a good looking car. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this out once it's all set up. Oh, the new car smell. All right, we'll see in the next couple videos. Jomoto-san, do you have a last message for everybody?
Please enjoy and take care.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thanks. Oh, can you give a message to Dustin?
Nothing. Come to here, Holly.
Nice. Thank you so much. All right, so all done. Just a nice quick service here. Can always count on my friends at Type 1 to hook me up and just make sure the S2000 is in amazing condition. And that's the thing you got to remember. These are old cars, and as much as we love preserving the JDM Legends, there's a lot of work that goes into preserving them. But it's a labor of love, and I love this car. I love this whole culture, and the passion I have for it is endless. We will definitely be coming back here a lot, getting more stuff done, getting more maintenance done, and I'll take you guys with me every step of the way. And I'm actually going to be taking the car to the track in the next couple weeks, so we'll see how it runs this time, and then we'll make some changes, and I will continue on that motorsports journey. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.